Today, I'm going to walk you through a couple new features in Definite. The first one is the Definite MCP, and more specifically, how to use the MCP to pull data from an external API. And second, I'll show you how to turn that data into a fully interactive data app. And we're going to build the whole thing from scratch live, so let's get started. So right now I'm in VS Code, and I already have the Definite MCP installed. I'm going to ask Definite to pull data from the NBA API. And more specifically, I'm going to ask it to pull play-by-play data from March 10th, 2026. This is a game that Bam Adebayo scored 83 points, which is just insane and makes for a really cool data app. Sophia is hitting the NBA API, pulling play-by-play data, and then eventually storing it in the DuckLake, which is Definite's data warehouse. And at the end, it gives me a summary of what it accomplished. So on March 10th, 2026, there were 13 games played. It pulled over 5,000 play-by-play examples and player game logs from 241 players, including Bam Adebayo. And now I'm going to ask Fee to build me a data app. And you can provide Definite very basic or detailed instructions based on your needs. So I asked Fee to build me a game day recap app where I can look at the player game logs, the box scores, and individual player stats such as shots made, shots missed, three-pointers, etc. And I want this dashboard to be filterable by player and by team and by game. Let's go see what it built. At the top of the data app, it gives me the box score of all the games played on this date, so I can filter by those games. And if I scroll down, I can see the scoring by quarter, I can see the team shooting percentages, the shot type breakdown, and also the shot sequences of each player from that game. And my favorite visualization from the data app is the shot chart. So I'm going to filter to the Washington-Miami game where Bam Adebayo scored 83 points. And I'm going to filter down to Bam Adebayo. And here I can see all of his misses and makes. I can see his two-pointers, his three-pointers. I can just look at his misses. And my favorite part is if I click the play button, I can see all of his shots in order as an animation. So this is just one of the many things that data apps can do and that the MCP can do. And if you're interested in learning more, please check out Definite. We can get you up and running in under 30 minutes.